Hello, welcome back to Andrew channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to do the video FX. Okay, so video FX is for adjustment the color. So before we start, we need to take some feature put into our monitor. Okay, and we go to import the medium. Okay, yes, this picture we open. Okay, so in this lesson we're going to do the video FX. So we do in the photo. Okay, do you remember how to make it full screen? Just go to crop even. Okay, don't forget to pull crossbar to the first, and then right click, you select merge output access. Okay, that's finished. And what we're going to do, so now I want you to copy this. Okay, now we do this one first. So we go to video FX. Okay, before we start, I would like to tell you the sum in the command that we usually use for the video FX and the function of this one. Okay, so we go to the video FX and I feature together, and then we start go to one by one, and we see okay, brightness and contrast. Yes, let's go brightness. Okay, so this one, so you can see here. Okay, this this picture more clear. Yeah, you can see it's look more nice already. Okay, and the other one. Okay, so I copy this photo again, copy one more. Okay, so this one now we're going to do. Okay, chroma key. So chroma key, we just remove the green screen on the below, so I don't do it. This one also. Okay, this one is a blur. Okay, we go to blur. Okay, blur. Where is blur? Yes, this one. As you can see. Which one do you want? This one? Okay. Yeah, but this one you can adjust one. Okay, it's blur. That's finished. You can adjust this one by using this tool. And this one, if you don't want to use this one, okay, you just go here and click on that one. Okay, if you want to use, just tick in. If not use, remove that tick. That's finished. That's okay. Okay, number three. Number three, hit film light flat. Okay, you put one sun star. Okay, so yes, hit film light flare. This one. Okay. I see. So where you want? Here. Okay. Sunshine. You can adjust it. Okay. Yeah. The sunshine, but the sun is look more. Oh, sorry. Very big. Okay. And you can do adjustment on this one. There. You can select the color one. Raise. No need. You see. You can see here when we adjust. This is raise. Okay. Little bit enough. Okay, For this picture, you can go to to add one more FX to make this picture more similar like this color. Okay, you can add. You can go to that one. Okay, and this one. Okay, so what is the next? Raise. Yes, raise. Go to raise. Okay, where's raise? Yeah, here raise. Yeah, this one. Wait, raise. Raise. You can adjust whatever you want. Just the shine only. Okay. You can adjust it. Okay, so this one we just make the picture more clear and look nicely, and this one we just make it blur, and this one we just make it have the sunshine. It's like a morning, and you can go to put some more FX. Okay. Okay, we select this one and we can put here. Yes, you can see, and we need this picture more like a sun in the morning. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Yes, in the morning. Good morning. Yeah. Okay. You can see the sun. Good morning. Good morning. Wake up. It's morning. Yeah. You can put more than one for the FX. But remember this one, if you put a lot, your PC will be stuck because it's very heavy. So you need to put only one or two is enough. If you put more than one or two, the FX, so your PC will be stuck. Just like this one. This one, you can see it nearly becomes stuck already. Okay, so you can try your own style FX for the video. So you can do with the video like this one. Color balance, chroma key. It's very good and nice for you to create the video. Okay, thank you for your time and study with us. And I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe on my link on my channel